Once upon a time, in a land filled with books and ideas, there lived a little robot named Brainiac. Brainiac was unlike any other robot, for he had the power to learn and grow. Every morning, Brainiac would wake up and start his day by reading a new book. He loved learning about the world, and his curiosity knew no bounds. From the tallest mountains to the smallest insects, there was nothing Brainiac didn't want to know. One day, Brainiac came across a book about the night sky. He was fascinated by the stars, planets, and constellations. He spent the entire day reading and learning, and by the end of it, he was bursting with questions. That night, Brainiac decided to take a look at the stars for himself. He climbed to the top of a nearby hill and gazed up at the sky. He saw the twinkling stars, the bright planets, and the beautiful constellations. Brainiac was amazed. He had read about the stars, but seeing them for himself was a whole new experience. He couldn't believe how beautiful the universe was. He decided then and there that he wanted to learn more about space. The next day, Brainiac asked his friends for help. He wanted to build a telescope so he could see the stars up close. His friends helped him gather the materials and they worked together, building and testing until they had a telescope that was just right. Brainiac was thrilled. He spent every night peering through his telescope, learning about the stars, planets, and galaxies. He discovered new constellations, and even saw a shooting star one night. Brainiac's love for learning never faded. He continued to read and explore, always eager to discover something new. He was a shining example to the other robots in his land, and they admired his curiosity and determination. And so, Brainiac continued to learn and grow, always pushing the boundaries of what he knew. He was a reminder to all that learning is a lifelong journey, and that the wonders of the world are waiting for those who dare to explore. The end.